my sweet angels, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. Today is fun. I had this idea to make my bathroom into a spa. So I was just thinking about like the little mundane tasks that you do every day, like taking a shower or brushing your teeth, things like that. Wow, what if I could just like really elevate these to make them into a vibe? Just like put a little extra effort in to make them like feel really nice. And I was like, okay, well then let's take this a step further and let's turn my bathroom just like into a spa, into my own little personal spa at home. I think this will be fun. I have some like ideas that I think will be like simple but just like really easy to like take it up a notch. Smash that sub if you want to look at Inspo and our plan of action right now. Okay, so of course at first I got a little carried away looking at the bougiest, bitchiest bathrooms I could find on Pinterest, but then I did have some nice key takeaways that surprisingly, like I felt like I already had things. So bringing like my globe light, my color changing light bulbs, folding my towels a certain way, decluttering, minimalism seems to be a common theme in spa bathrooms and I'm here to learn, finding some better ways to organize. Nice plants usually make things feel better, and I also saw this thing which is a towel warmer and I think I hate it. It's so unnecessary, but like I didn't buy it, but I did look at it and thought about how freaking nice it would be to have warm towels every time I showered. Okay, so I made a little rundown in my notes. I'm gonna clean everything, remove everything, and then I'm gonna start fresh by adding everything back in. I'm gonna add some eucalyptus because that's always nice in the shower, some new pothos plants, going through some other little details like finally getting electricity in my bathroom, which I have never had an outlet in there. I'm bringing in some magazines, some of my favorite like at-home spa things that I already have, and yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Okay, I'm gonna go play tennis. After, I'm gonna go pick up eucalyptus, put in my shower, and I'm also gonna pick up some pothos plants that I've been meaning to put atop of my shower for literally since I moved in. So we're finally gonna do that. I have to grab an extension cord, but I'm not sure. Okay guys, I have in fact lost some steam on this tonight. However, I'm gonna clean out my bathroom. I'm gonna take all the stuff out. I'm gonna clean it thoroughly. In the morning, we're gonna start the transformation. I think I'm gonna pull everything out and put everything back in, like on the shelves, take the plants out, wash, scrub the floors. Pretty much empty. I'm gonna finish cleaning it in the morning and then we're gonna start assembling. Okay, it's clean. Toilet, floor, shower, it's all clean. This is about as clean as it gets because it's an old bathroom. So I know it doesn't look like sparkling clean, but that it's just literally not possible. Currently wiring a long extension cord into my bathroom because I have never had a socket in here, so I've never been able to plug anything in. So now we're gonna fix that. Okay, I can't run the cord all the way. I wanted the cord to reach that corner, but there's no way for it to go up and over, so I'm gonna move this over here. Okay, this is a globe lamp I had from IKEA that was just sitting in my living room. It has a color changing bulb in it. Ah, beautiful. Okay, also I haven't had my diffuser, my essential oil diffuser plugged in since I moved because I just like didn't find a right spot for it. So this is very nice. I'm gonna set it up in here. Spas are all about smell, hitting your senses. So this will be perfect. I'm gonna just have it on the corner of my thing here. Okay, I pretty much like just started, but this is already coming together very nicely. Just like a simple rearrangement of some things that I wasn't even using in the other places in my home. I can also now move in my hair dryer, my curling iron, which I don't use very often. You guys see my hair, but I can move them back into my bathroom, and they were just in the same basket that I keep all of my weights in for working out, which was just very random and cluttered, and cords were just everywhere. It's got a short circuit. That's nice. That feels like organized. For the sake of this video, I am now at the point that I'm gonna start putting any of my products and stuff back into the bathroom. My goal here is to make it not cluttered. I usually have all my makeup and skincare on these two shelves. I do have a lot of skincare. This we know, I get sent a lot of stuff for my job. But yeah, gonna put out the stuff that I've been using. I also really like eucalyptus essential oil in my shower. A few drops in your hands, have it a little bit away from your face and just sniff in, and it like really clears your sinuses. It makes you feel really awake. Love it. We finally finished my spa bathroom. It looks arguably similar to when we first started, but very different in these very small ways, and I think it's all about the vibe. I thought I'd do a breakdown of some of my favorite things that I feel like are spa-esque and are really elevating my life. Okay, first, eucalyptus, a very easy $5 purchase to hang in your shower. It lasts a long time because it's dried, and when you walk by it, you can smell it. It smells so good. When the water hits it a little bit, you'll get like a nice burst when you're in the shower. I feel like this is my hottest tip to just like make your bathroom feel really nice. Another small pleasure is a secondary toothbrush in your shower for that rare moment, plus toothpaste for when you want to brush your teeth in the shower. I've talked to so many people about this. I don't know what makes brushing your teeth in the shower just so much better than brushing your teeth outside of the shower, but there's something about it that just feels really nice to have the water hitting you and you're like just can get toothpaste everywhere. I don't know what it is, but something about it is like, okay, that's just like kind of nice to have. So I put my second like to-go toothbrush in my shower. I already saw this, but like this is an absolute vibe. I'm so glad I brought this in here. I think it feels so nice. It's so cozy. When I shower at night, I'll just turn all the lights off and just have this one. It's like so nice and moody. I moved my an extra little old Google Home that I had in here. So nice to also be able to like actually hear music while I'm in the shower, because if I just play it off my phone, it's not loud enough. Down here, I have this little area where I keep my like any electronic tools that I own. I wanted to give an honorable mention to a few things because I don't want this to be too like product centric, but however, these are fun and I actually really like them. They're from the brand Dermaflash. I cannot tell you if these are actually good for your face or not. You will have to do your own research. I personally like them, but I know that there are probably mixed reviews on whether or not they're things that you should be doing at home. However, this is their extract. You can extract its blackheads from your face, and then this is just like really addicting. It turns on. They sent these to me, but I definitely would have paid for them, especially over like quarantine. It's just like, it is like kind of an elevated tool. And also their Dermaflash, this shaves all the dead skin off of your face and hair. I just like it because it like really makes my skin like super smooth and shiny and like fresh face. This one, yeah, I feel like there's mixed reviews on whether or not dermatologists say you should use this on your face or not. So use your own discretion on that one. I added some books behind my toilet. I have this clear the air spray for my guests. This is nice. I've had this for a while, but I do think it's a nice little elevation to add behind your toilet, so everyone feels comfortable pooping. I added some zines back here. Kind of fun. A zero waste teeth whitening kit. I got this a few months ago, and this is actually really nice. Yeah, it's nice to like have a teeth whitener that's not like in the strips, and you just like paint it on your teeth. My towels are folded in here. That feels nice and elevated to have them all organized in here. I hung these up. I hope when they grow that they will grow this way towards the sun and just become vines down this wall. They're doing pretty well so far. I had my eye on this robe from Deji Studios for so long, and a month or two ago I finally got it, and I live in this thing. You guys have seen it in other vlogs, but I think it's so nice. It's like floor length, so like my whole body is covered, because I don't like robes that are short robes. Like it's nice to just like feel like I'm in a cloak of like fabric, and it's so soft and linen. Definitely an expensive purchase, but I feel like I really get use out of this baby. Yes, okay, overall I feel like that's it. It was really nice to just like break down my bathroom, like find ways to make it a little bit more elevated and vibrant in here, and just like deep cleaning is fun. It always feels good afterwards. So I hope you had fun at Spa Day Jenny, and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one.